Hi, Barbara Reagan with Long and Foster Realtors. If you've been thinking about selling your home and you've been on the internet researching the process, or you've been talking to friends and family about what the process is like, you may be feeling a bit overwhelmed. And there really is a lot that goes into not only selling your home, but also making sure it gets to the closing table so you can move on to the next chapter of your life. If you've done the hard part, that is, you got your home ready for sale, you put it on the market, you got an offer to accept, then congratulations. But hold on, because now there are a few more steps that need to be taken before you can close the deal and move on to your next stop. So in this video, I'd like to break it down. First up, you need to sign the contract. But before you sign it, make sure you understand the purchase price, the contingencies, and the closing date. This contract is legally binding once you sign it, so take a moment to review it carefully. Your realtor is here to help with any questions. Next, the earnest money deposit. This shows the buyer's commitment and is held until closing. If everything goes as planned, it's going to get applied to their final payment. Your realtor will confirm its receipt and keep things on track. Now, let's talk about buyer financing. If they're using a loan, they'll need time to secure it. Your realtor will stay in touch with the lender to ensure a smooth process. Appraisal time. The lender will want to confirm your home's value. If the appraisal is lower than expected, there might be renegotiations, but don't worry, your realtor will guide you through it. Home inspections. Buyers usually schedule this to check your home's condition. You'll have a chance to renegotiate any repair requests based on the inspection reports. If your home is part of an HOA, the buyers will review those documents. So it's smart to order this resale package early to avoid delays. You're almost there. A final walkthrough will happen before closing to ensure everything's in order. If any issues arise, they'll need to be resolved before closing. And finally, closing day. You'll sign the paperwork, and once everything's processed, the funds will be wired to your account. Your realtor will help review the settlement statement to make sure everything's correct. Accepting an offer is just the beginning. With a good realtor by your side, you're well equipped to navigate these final steps. For more information on each of these steps, don't forget to hop on over to my blog on my website and read the latest blog post. Ready to sell? Got questions? Reach out and let's get started. This is Barbara Reagan with Long and Foster Realtors. Have a great day.